Hey everyone, welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. My name is Corey Ashton and I want to give you some advice today. 5 things that you should be asking your hosting company. Can you provide these things for me? There's no reason to have additional plugins in place and there's no reason to be paying crazy outrageous fees for these types of services when hosting companies out there can provide all of these things and make your life so much easier inside of the WordPress world. So let's check it out, all right? The very first thing I want you to be thinking about, the first question you need to be asking any hosting company is, can you provide actual WordPress support for me, right? What you don't want to do is call up your hosting company and they say to you, and I've heard this response, they say to you, I'm sorry, we can't help you with that. That's a WordPress issue. You know, we only help with domain name, email, or hosting problems. That's a horrible company to be working with. So you definitely want to reach out and connect with your hosting company or server company that can provide great WordPress support 24/7 through phone, email, or live chat, right? How do we find those people? I'm going to give you a list here at the end of this video, so stay tuned. The second thing you need to be asking for is, can they provide added security for me? Out of the box again, no additional plugins needed. Can they provide a free SSL for me? Can they provide two-factor authentication for me? Can they provide a list of plugins that are not to be used, right? Or themes that should not be used? Can they do this for me so that I have that extra security in place? Those are amazing options and they're all available. Can they provide out-of-the-box optimization tools so I don't have to be adding more plugins to my website and maintaining them, right? You want to be sure that your hosting company can provide a content delivery network or a CDN that will help your website load so much more quickly, especially if you're using a lot of images, right? You also want to be having the ability to have caching done, where again, you're not having to go and deal with any sort of another plugin. Those are so frustrating. All right, do they have the ability to give you backups? This is a huge one because a lot of us do this with a plugin. There's no reason to add another plugin though. Hosting companies out there can provide a backup, and cooler yet, they can provide the ability for you to click one button and roll the website back if you need to restore something, if something goes wonky or weird. So please be sure to hold your hosting company accountable. Call them up and say, hey, do I have backups running every 24 hours? And what is the process and how much is it going to cost me if I have to roll that site back? And the last thing is, do they provide staging sites for you or a playground? What they can basically do is take your whole website, duplicate the entire thing, and put it in a playground area for you online where you can go tinker and play. It's like having 2 websites that you can go into, test all of your new ideas, check out plugin updates, run your theme update, be sure everything's working correctly, and then with one button, roll that version live. It's incredible. And of course, already I'm telling you, WP Engine, who we're a super huge fan of, they're one of the companies that can do this for you. So check them out. I'm going to put a list of a few others in the description box below. I hope you have a great WordPress Wednesday. I'll see you next week. Bye, y'all.